Deity Dhanvantari is supposed to be the source of Ayurveda, the science of long and healthy lives. So someone cut this Dhanvantari and Trayodashi and made it Dhantera. What was about health became about wealth. Dhan means money. Now everybody thinks Deepavali is about money. Why it is about health is, for those of us who live in the northern hemisphere, it is from this day onwards certain things change. In a way, there is a slowdown of life. Diwali is not a religious festival, it's got something to do with our geographical location on this planet. Because we are in the northern hemisphere, these changes are happening to us. This is why the whole thing about Dhanvantari, the science of health and well-being, that it must be kept alive. Till 14th of January, everything must be kept alive. You need music, you need more light, you need lamplight, you need all kinds of things to keep the atmosphere alive for yourself so that you don't sink down.